What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Today I got this Rangers Megaforce cards and the Morpher. Go say Morpher is down to the mouth. Just a belt buckle. Just the cards, red and blue. Wild Force red, black, and Rumble Knight and Woogie. Cool stuff. It's in the card for Power Rangers for the phone, the iPhone. So you guys know there's the back. Let me show you. Turn the page. Look, you guys. This is for app. When you want to for the app, open for Google Play. Where you guys know for Google Play. All those cards are pretty cool. There's Wild Force Red, Cole, Blaze Lion. And a Woogie, so it's a little creepy face. That was pretty cool though. There's the Black Ranger, cards with the Snake Cats, Blue Rangers doing pose, Blue Ranger when you morph. That was pretty cool. That's in the figure. Yeah, that's pretty cool too. There's a Black Ranger for the figure too. It's just a case. Yeah, that was pretty cool. Why is got cards in the figures? I don't know. But seriously, I mean. Well, hit the like of the video, like, subscribe. Go Megaforce. See ya.